We're now learning Mishnah Masechet Zevachim perek Mishnah Daled, probably the shortest of the Mishnayot and the most straightforward of the Mishnayot in this perek. So the Mishnah begins, Ha'olah Kodshei Kodashim. The Korban Olah is Kodesh Kodashim, one of the holier Korbanot. Holier Korbanot are distinguished by having restrictions on where they can be eaten, as well as other halachot, and the Korban Olah, since it goes entirely to Hashem, has the greatest restrictions on being eaten because it's not eaten at all. Shchitata batzafon, it is slaughtered in the north, in the Beit HaMitbachayim, in the slaughterhouse, which is to the north of the Mizbeach. Animal's head is put through those rings that you see in the back, and the animals then, as we will discuss, dismembered on the tables and skinned on the pillars that are up front. V'kibul dama b'chli sharet batzafon, and the blood is received. Obviously, as soon as you slaughter the animal, the blood pours out, and a Kohen is waiting there with a bowl called a mizrak, from the word lizrok, and that happens, of course, in the north where the animal is slaughtered. V'dama ta'un shtei matanot shehein arba, and the blood ta'un needs or requires two gifts, meaning two sprinklings of blood, shehein arba, that count as four. And what that means is that the blood will be sprinkled on two opposite corners, once here on the northeast corner and once here on the southwest corner. And by sprinkling on the corner, obviously, the blood will splatter onto the two sides. So when you sprinkle blood onto the northeast corner, blood will get on both the north and the eastern walls. And when you sprinkle blood onto the southwest corner, blood will get onto the southern and western walls, and therefore blood will be on all four walls, and that counts as sprinkling the blood on all of them. So that is shtayim shehein arba, shtei matanot shehein arba, two sprinklings of blood. There's only two actions done, but the Kohen accomplishes the goal of getting blood on all four walls of the Mizbeach. And finally, te'una hefshet v'nituach v'chalil la'ishim. The Korban Olah requires hefshet, it has to be skinned on the pillars. Nituach, it has to be cut up. The Korban Olah was brought up the Mizbeach in pieces. V'chalil la'ishim, the word ishim is plural, not of ish, but of eish, of fire. It is khalil, it is completely burned in the fires that would be on top of the Mizbeach.